We're going to look at the sticks on the ST16. The stick on the left is oriented. The left-right pot is at the bottom, and the up and down pot is toward the inside of the controller in about that location. This is the up and down pot. This is the left-right pot, and you can kind of see the gimbal move and turning the pot up and down. Turns the whole gimbal, and it's rotating this pot. So if you're going to spray this with cleaner, you'd want to concentrate the spray on this side and on this side so that it gets to the pot. On the right stick, it's just the opposite. The stick is rotated over so that the up and down pot is still on the inside, but the left and right pot is at the top. So we concentrate the spray in a different place. If you wanted to spray it from the back side, you turn the controller over and there are two rubber plugs on most controllers, and you can just take those plugs out, and that is almost directly over the pot. You'll notice the holes are offset so that they're over the left and right pot, and that's the one that usually gives you the most trouble, is the left and right pot. So you can spray right in that hole. You can take a light and look in there to get lined up on the pot, and you'd stick the straw from the cleaner right in there. If you turn the controller sideways so that you can look at and line it up with the bottom, it's almost identically lined up, and it's in this case it's off to the right just a little bit.